On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you guys are ready, rested, and ready to kick some names and take some ass, whatever you're into. Hopefully you're all here. Looking forward to some sideways volatility going into FOMC. The good news is that not only are we streaming once today, but we will be streaming twice today. I don't think I'm going to do Asia. I don't think I'm going to do 3 times, because that would mean I would stream 3, 4, 5, 6 times one day. Nah, it's not happening. However, let's get it. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're all having a wonderful morning. Let's check out this price action. Special guest Dave Digital on the show yesterday night. Love that guy, man. Wild times. He's been with us. I mean, I gave him his first wrench. Can you imagine? I gave Dave his first wrench, you know. Audio's good. With the great audio. Yeah. I mean, we expect that out of Dave. So, good morning, everybody. Good morning. I'm surprised I didn't grandfather in Dave earlier. I think it was to do with like a conflicting with Frankie Candles, right? Like, if you're in someone else's Discord and you're like really active in there, I'm not gonna like grandfather you into mine. But I think, he's gonna learn some new tricks besides a bullish divergence money flow crossover trigger wave. I think we're gonna teach Dave some new tricks, man. Too funny. Tony Soprano. I'm sorry. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Pump it, baby. Let's go. Good morning, Alexander G. Steven. Good to see you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Skull Tattoo. Ofgus Johnson. What's going on? Tips. Good to see you, DeFi. Thank you for always being here, everybody. Bearded Mac, Joseph. Get a little push here. Look at Solana. Solana's got an inverse head and shoulders right now. You see it? Do you see it to believe it? I don't know what happened in the chart here. Maybe Trump farted or something like that. ETH looking decent too. So this shows me strength in altcoins right now. What's Total 3 saying? Okay. Bottoming structure. There's your perfect stiletto, everybody, if you're wondering. With the hanging toe. Look, perfect hanging toe, SFP. Retest the previous highs first and foremost here on Total 3. Okay. We could get an altcoin. Others dominance, yeah, looking good. Bitcoin dominance dropping, yeah, looking good. Okay. Altcoin's getting a little bit of a push right now. Interesting. Bitcoin flat. Cool, man. Cool stuff. Retest our previous lows right now. Continuation down, so this is a rejection level locally. Let's just take a look here, but retesting in here. Resistance. Bitcoin downtrending momentum. Resistance. Yeah, stiletto. I don't like it. 618 tap. Impulse 618 tap. So shout out to Gio. He said it wouldn't come to my box. Oh, I love him. He got long though. I know Gio got long. He probably paid himself. I don't know if he's staying up till like 4 a.m, but good fun. We're at my box, bro. I love him. The boxes always win. That's the Discord. The Discord knows. The boxes always win. Joseph from Pittsburgh, what's going on? Bearded Mac, Mike, gang. What's going on, Pat? Good to see you. Steve Hickey, Curb, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Vic, Tony, Soprano. Tony, what's going on, man? What's going on, man? Dano, fair too. Big today. Good morning today, big day. Nah. We can talk about what's going on today, and it's very if this and that, right? If this then that. All right. Nothing right now really appealing. Below VWAP, so resistance. Rotation down. Want to see some sort of reaction in here. I think Gear was talking about how to trade the boxes. How to trade them. So we're gonna go over a boxing lesson today in the Discord. We'll go over a boxing lesson because it's very important that you know how to identify how to trade a box. Mark, what's going on, man? Jesse, Steve Hickey, Nick. Pre-dumping? That's okay. A little bit of a Bart Simpson, right? Like, naturally, after yesterday, and we were all pre-rich yesterday, you're naturally going to come back for liquidity in this area. What a trading day yesterday. My God. What a trading day. 14 G-notes. 14 G-notes. Gotta love it. Al Jr. My wife doesn't believe it sometimes. I tell her. We were talking about this last night. I mean, if you guys know, I used to trade off of a very bad laptop and do very bad TA and talk a lot and not really get anywhere. And I used to do top-down analysis on your favorite altcoins, right? And make sure that, yeah, that was me. Remember Tony? An air mattress hit me in the head while I was streaming. That's how good I was. I was a professional. You can see here. I don't know if you guys have seen this clip. I keep it near and dear to my heart. Look at all the look how this is before crypto. Look how much gray hair I have in here, guys. How much gray hair is there here? Right? Before crypto. How much gray hair is there? I am white here now. But we were talking about yesterday of how mattress gang. That was me streaming with the mattress behind me. And I used to get excited over like making like $50, $20 for the day, right? And you should get excited too for that stuff too, because it's all progress, right? Now it's like, oh my God, I made 14 grand yesterday. I'm like, you fucking loser. Like you're such a knob cheese. Like it doesn't make any sense. But trading is an investment of pain. Let's put it that way. There's a big investment of pain. And if you can endure and you can adjust and you can do some honest self-appraisal, take a look at yourself in the damn mirror and be like, why am I shit? You can probably do it too. But if you can't endure it, don't even bother. I mean, just hang them up, man. Hang them up. What's going on, F-Bomb, Santel, Curtis Hill? Good morning, Philly Skills, my man. John Newton, good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Jesse Huluk. That one guy, what's going on? Moaning. Good morning, guys. Good shot. I can't say G1 and D Pierce. Good morning to you guys. John, Noy, Tips, what's going on? Thanks for the haircut comment. God bless, bro. No skullet. I know I didn't put on the skullet. How did you hire Eminem to sing? Actually, it's like he's a good friend of the family. No, I'm kidding. Uncle Jerome about to rug us all. Yeah, probably. Sulio. Sui Yellow? I don't know how to say it, man. I'm calling you Susan. New haircut. What? Yeah. I got the head buzzed, man. Couldn't handle it anymore. It was actually a young guy. He was probably in his early 20s, I would say. Local barber, young guy. He's cutting my hair. He did a good job. I mean, whatever. It's a haircut. I was like, so, today, he was asking me what I did. I said, I'm a day trader. And I'm like, so, and I'm paying for it. I think it was like $40 or something like that. And I'm like, so, if you want to work 3 hours in the morning and make 50 times this amount of money, come to my YouTube and join the Discord, and I'll hook you up. And I gave him my well, he has my contact information, and I gave him the link to the YouTube channel. So maybe he's here today. Who knows? I said, if you want to come and make $45. Let's just say I tipped him 22%, guys. Okay, so let's just say $50 haircut, and I made $14,200 yesterday, divided by $50. So if you want to make 284 times your haircut charging me, whatever, come and hang out. It feels unfair sometimes, guys, doesn't it? Africa's good to see you. Offshore, good to see you. John, Dylan, Jesse. Dylan, nice SFP on Sol earlier. Yeah, man. Yep. Good work. Inverse head and shoulders continuation trade here. Trying to push. Nothing yet. That's nothing. Retest to previous highs. Bitcoin's flat. Very, very. Let's highlight our price action, right? Look how chunky it is. Not my favorite. What happened here, guys? 445. There's a glitch in the matrix here. Human beings are diseased. There's not here. Only on Bybit. Did Bybit have an issue yesterday? Interesting. Chop. Altcoins catching a bid right now, aren't they? Look at this. Yeah. Chunky Ethereum, man. Holy Hammer candle and golfing candle looks to push here on Solana. Top of this order block. Interesting. No trade there. I mean, if Solana's going to move more, which it is, you can see too on the right hand side here, right? So you can see Bitcoin is down 0.5%. And then, I don't know if you guys can see that. And then Solana's break even, ETH is break even. So there's strength in the altcoins right now. There it goes. Nice push. Very choppy. Okay. No trade here. Bitcoin trying to push as well. Stiletto pattern continuation. Chunky candles, man. I don't like when all the candles are tight together like this. You see how there's like, this is basically chop, right? I don't like it. It's not something I like to trade. This is good. But this is not something I necessarily like to trade leading into this, because this is like, you're guessing here. In my opinion, you're guessing in here that this is going to continue, even though you have sweep, higher, low, continuation. Still a guessing game. Yeah. Solana looks better. I like this on Solana. Obviously, that's the best part about it, but nice stiletto on Solana there. Yeah. I feel like I'm forcing it up here with Solana, though. Overextended on Market Cipher. The 1 hour looked good on Market Cipher. That looks okay here. That looks good there. 1 hour trigger wave. Yeah, the 1 hour trigger wave bullish divergence in here is really nice. This is nice for Solana here. Right. Taking liquidity out of this high here. Nice sweep. This should come down now. No trade here. Still waiting, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We got 320 people here this morning. I'm going to do FOMC this afternoon. I love FOMC. FOMC is I made over $3,000 in like 6 seconds once. It was pretty cool. Like my mullet, yeah. Jesse, J Violet, good to see you. Mega Camo, release Candy. Trench Juice, my man. Tom G's. Kennedy, Paul Caruso, good morning. Gang, gang, gang. John Newton, that one guy. Steve Hickey, Afkas. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Rob Lewis, Crypto Birdie, my man. What's going on, Weber? Harp. Hulk Smash, good to see you. Arrow, good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Gurlu, good morning. Lasers, DeFi, J Violet, Misanthropic, Dina. Good morning, guys. Good to see you. Ella, Shep, Dave Digital. At least you still have it. Yeah, the hair. I think you're talking about my hair. Chart's gonna go full crazy. Lie detector mode soon. 0 for 3 on my first morning scalping. Only gets better from here. You're over trading. You've had three chances to take a scalp in here. Where the F did you find a scalp in here? That maybe this low here and this here. Doji and golfing continuation. Oh, Dave, we got work to do, buddy. I'm gonna get you all scalp trained up, man. Nice little push here for Solana. Solana looks better than Bitcoin right now. Be forcing along here. We'd be top blasting, so we want to remain patient here, in my opinion. Can we look at Luna? No. Might be Anthony. Pomp swapped his ETH for Sol. I don't blame him. Sol is way better than Ethereum. What's up, bro? Good morning from Dallas, Texas. Let's go, man. Dallas, Texas, man. I would move there. I would move there for golf, for weather, and for taxes. See, I live in the Texas of Canada. I'm in Alberta. We got mountains, and it's fucking freezing. Oh, man. Favorite question, long or short, bro? For me, it's skiing. We go skiing here. We're on our hands, okay? We're hands right now. That's unacceptable, Primo. Good to see you, man. Dylan, good to see you as well. This looks like it needs to come back here. NASDAQ getting a little push this morning. The NASDAQ's waking up. This is good. How's the ES looking here? It's going to be a long day, everybody, so be prepared. You know, like today, your job, everybody, today, I'm talking to you. Yeah, you. You, Mr. Overtrader there. Today, your job is to preserve capital. It's a fucking volatile day. Watch. You, mofo. You shouldn't be trading today. You're emotional already. Okay. In my first 2 years, I wish I never traded FOMC because I just lost money. I wish I watched FOMC because I have some strategies now. But for my first 2 years of trading, I wish I never traded FOMC because it'll fucking liquidate you, man. It'll just wreck you. It'll wreck your account. You're taking high probability trades over and over again, doing well, and then you trade FOMC and you fucking look like this. You're doing so good. And I'm going to have some sob stories tomorrow in the Discord. Oh, I thought it was going up, and then it went down, and then it went up, and then it went down. Oh. No shit. No shit. You would have, you didn't. Anyways. Too personal. Your number one job in trading and anything to do with money is to preserve capital, right? Because if you lose 50%, it takes 100% to make up that 50%. It doesn't take 50% to make it back. It takes 100% to make it back, to break even. Math, motherfuckers. Okay? Math. You must preserve the capital. That is your job. If you lose, so we go over that again. If you have $100 and you lose 50% down to $50, you need to double that $50 just to get back to $100. Mind blown. So don't lose the $50. Okay? That's your lesson for today. Now let's get back to the charts. What capital? Good morning, Toaster. Good to see you, Jack. Sitting on hands, no FOMO. Good, J Violet. See, J Violet. You're gonna go far. Stop pointing at me. I'm on 2 wins today. Now go and relax, man. Even talking to my wife last night, and I'm up like 17 grand this week, and she's like, "Don't go and lose it." I'm like, FOMC tomorrow. She goes, "Don't go and lose it." She knows. Houston weather is swamp ass 24/7. Oh man. We call it swallix, like bollocks, swallix, right? Look at that rollover here. Y'all can have all your seasons in Texas. We feed your face and hug your neck, and then you can't beat that anywhere. What did you learn about FOMC? I'll teach you today in the Discord. I can't give away all my secrets. I keep giving away stuff in the live streams, which is for members only. Everyone get off cross margin. Yeah. I mean, you should never be on cross margin, but do what you want. Trading math sucks. Yeah, it does. Math motherfuckers. Yeah, that's the one, man. If you don't get that math, you shouldn't be trading in the first place. Yeah, go back to Walmart, push those carts, be a good little boy. I wrote it on my whiteboard, yeah. As long as you can see your whiteboard. What time is the mofo meeting? It should be 2. What time is... Well, we get the data first, right? So we'll get the data first. FOMC here, 2:00, right? So you'll get your interest rate decision, and then he speaks, right? We know we're getting a cut, guys. So that's going to be a bit of a nothing burger. I'll be streaming. I'll probably go live at like 1:50 or something like that, depending on how tired I am. Yeah, and then we'll do the press conference. And then we'll let him speak a whole bunch of gibberish. And we'll go from there. Good rejection here. See, enticing buyers this morning. Sol holding on quite well here. But this is a little cheeky move here. But we do have a break. We have an SFP and a break here. 3-minute break. Order block retest. You could long here. Could long this kind of deal, but up to VWAP. Let's just leave it on there. I'm not taking this trade. I don't particularly like it. It's come back down a bit aggressive in my opinion. I just want to leave it on. Leaving on a trade and just seeing what happens is very important, I think. Dylan, what's going on? If something is 100 and it drops 50%, it's now $50. For $50 to become 100, it has to make a 100% move. Magic, right? Magic. 17K this week. Yeah, 2 days. In 2 days. I don't even believe it sometimes. But, hey ho. Here we are. Clicking buttons, man. I started a new $50,000 account. 50K account. December 1st. Where are we at right now? So I have 30K I'm trading with. 30K. Every day I start with 30K. Every day I move it over. And in the piggy bank, we're at 81. 81 in the piggy bank. 81 in the piggy bank. That means minus 20, we're up we're up 61 racks to start the month. Happy days. Happy days. Grower and a shower. It's important to share, guys. Look at the trade, it's working. Right? What is this, guys? So what do we have here? We have SFP. We have higher low. This is a stiletto pattern. We have a break of this local high, which isn't a higher term time frame break, right? Our higher term time frame is this high. This is why this isn't so strong. Okay, so we're on a 3-minute. So what you must understand when you're on a 3-minute, the difference between this high, which is 2 green candles, which qualifies as a high on the 3-minute, okay? Qualifies as a high, so that would be a break in here. However, if I go on a higher term time frame, even like a 10-minute, this is not even, this is my high. That's my structure break there. 8-minute? 8-minute qualifies. So 8-minute SFP. So we're looking for bottoming structure in here, but we must understand when we're trading on the 3-minute, what is significant in here, right? So this is a continuation trade, but it's not as strong as if I were to take this and look for this. This is a little Mickey Mouse trade, right? So time frames are so important when trading. Good work, JR. Good morning, Shep. Good morning, Rebel. Will we dive to 74 then 65? I don't know. You know, trade the cough. Ask Sniper's Nightmare about trading the cough today. No trade right now, just waiting. Speak of the devil. What's going on, bro? Sorry, we gave Dave a free membership because he's been putting up with us for 3 years, Sniper. So Dave is now in our Discord. So, you know, tighten the leash if we have to. I mean, I gave him his first wrench, and he's been with us from day one. He's joining the dark side. We all know Dave Digital's joining the dark side because, in my opinion, you can't trade a naked point of control bullish divergence money flow crossover if you want to make money in this game. That's just not going to pay your bills. Okay? Whoever's teaching you that, Dave, I have a feeling I know you're in trouble. You're in trouble. But we're here to help. We're here to help. Because I want you to be at least pre-rich. Pew, pew. Shots are always getting fired. And I will say, if you want to trade a point of control, money flow, crossover, very weird scam wick in here to come grab liquidity. Try to push down here. Solana's holding ground, which is good. Let's see. ETH is holding ground too. A little bit of exhaustion in here. Very weird push up here to grab this, to grab some of this liquidity. Very weird push up in my opinion last night. Yeah, this is still relevant here, but Bitcoin took this. Bitcoin did it properly. So Bitcoin took this, but look, Solana didn't take this. Interesting. You see the difference? So Bitcoin has more likelihood to go down because this has been taken. Solana will probably try to come back for these guys in here. Oh, guys, point of control's right here too, just so you know. Big red line. Also golden pocket. Impulse golden pocket. Not the regular golden pocket, okay? There's a difference, okay? There's a difference between making... I'm on one this morning already. Making money and losing money. Okay, point of control golden pocket, okay? Cool, if we come in here, whatever. However, if you pull an impulse fib here, you would have had the 618 trade here this morning, okay? Which is the top of the volume node, which is right here. You see the difference? Can you see the difference? No entry. Entry. Money. Giorgio, no money. Okay. Because if you're going to pull this fib here from the start here, you want to go minimum from the low that started the move. You got to front run it a little bit, which is here, which will allow you to get this 618 entry. Now, does it come down into here? Cool. We have a big ass box. We know that We know that this is a general trading area, but if we bounce and go to Valhalla from here and you miss it, right? There's a reason why you miss it. And yes, I would prefer to come into here. This is our 786 anyways, right? Uptrending momentum, right? So I'd prefer to come into here. Do it staying. Jerome Powell. I mean, today, this is what we should expect. Let me make it very clear. This should be our day today. Okay. That's what I would expect today, if I was a betting man. So sideways until then, right? We'll be here live trading anyways. So we got a Discord live today, which should be good. We're going over trading boxes, trading the boxes, how to trade the boxes, why do we use the boxes, and why it's imperative for your trading success. Melissa, one love. What's going on? God bless you, Melissa. Melissa's a day one as well. Her and Dave have been here forever too. How you doing, Mel? How's everything? How's the moms? We grandfathered Dave into the Discord, Melissa, so be careful. He's lurking now. Giant river otters are the longest otter species, reaching up 6 foot. It's taller than me. It's taller than me on its knees. Oh, man. That's good. That's good. What's going on, Django? JR, Superman, good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Steve Hickey, Brumbelow. The mattress. Yeah, the mattress clip. We love the mattress clip. Good times, man. It was really good times. Amar, trade. Trade what? What's your trade, man? No trade. We show you the trades, we take the trades. Today is not the day to rush trades. There will be lots of opportunity today. Will you capture it or let it slip? That's weird. Night USDT on BloFin. A to A's. Come on, you know me better than that. I won't even look at East sometimes. Amar is from India. Everybody, Amar from India. It's been a while, man. Everybody say hi to Amar from India. What's going on, Amar? If I profit, I'm buying you 2-inch insoles. Bro, I got my Nike Elevates. Don't you know? Bro, I'm always ready. I got the Nike Elevates. Don't forget, I'm a married man, okay? Okay. This is not sponsored. These are my Nike Elevates. I'm quick with it today. So ugly. It's like double pumps, man. It's like me too. Golden child. uh, so today, we know we're getting a cut. What does that mean? That means we will cut interest rates. Does that mean your mortgage rates go down? No, not necessarily. It's up to the banks. Now, the thing is they do not have data. So you have Jerome Powell here coming in with no data, which is a perfect reason to not know what to do in January, right? Because we want to be forward looking. The markets are trying to price in the next cut. Sorry about the flashbang. All right. So if you go into here and you go to probabilities, okay? I know the chart just got all you guys just looking at this 89%. We can go to January. January, okay? January, 21% chance, okay, of a rate cut, right? So the probabilities section here, right? We are going to 375 here, right? Current for December, we are going to 375, so we all understand. So we're going to this column over here. It doesn't work. Right here. However, to go into January, there's only 21% here. Okay? 35% in February, or no, March. March 18th. That's my birthday. Huh. We're doing FOMC on my birthday? Fuck that. I ain't doing it. Someone else can stream FOMC. Maybe JR can do it. I am not streaming FOMC on my birthday. I am going golfing somewhere because it's still cold in Canada. Okay? So it's about what's coming, looking forward, right? Because the markets have priced in this cut. Believe me, they've priced in this cut. It's not a big burger. What is important is his positioning, right? Is he missionary? Is he whatever, right? Depends on what he's into today. Depends on when he coughs. Depends on how much he says monetary policy. He's going to talk about jobs. He's going to talk about inflation, right? Maximum employment, lowest inflation. That is his job. He does not have maximum employment. He has job losses. Very clear. So he's going to come out and says he needs more data. And we're going to have to go from there. Okay. My swear jar is kind of getting full, isn't it? I've been working on it. I have been working on the swear jar, guys. But I ain't no bitch. I'm going to push this thing. We'll go to $60. Okay, I've been bad, okay? I'm working on it. I mean, you try to unlearn a friggin' 13, 15 years of construction humor. Okay? I'm just getting warmed up. I'm trying to be better. I'm sorry, YouTube in Canada who's watching me with a microscope. I'm sorry. I don't make open mouth thumbnails anymore. I don't lie. I show my shit. I don't shill exchanges. Oh, if you join my K Sexy exchange that has no reserves, you can join my premium Discord. Fuck. Right, mild, right? It's mild weather here. March 17th is my birthday. Cool, man. You got St. Patty's Day then. I don't think you'll ever unlearn that. No, it's built in, man. It's built in with the calluses. I haven't been on the tools for like a year, almost 2 years, and I still got the plywood callus, guys. The middle finger where you hold the plywood, right? So you have your middle finger. I don't know how to draw a finger. Here's your finger, right? And you got your calluses. I have like a permanent callus groove right here, and the plywood would go right through here. That's where you hold the plywood, like, you know. Permanent. It'll never go away. I give my wife back massages and back scratches at the same time. 2-for-1 deal, man. Look at this shite price action. Where's the trade? You tell me, man. Absolute shocking. Plywood. Stop it, Jax. Plywood. Oh, man. Arm extenders. Have you seen? Bro, there'd be times where I'd be carrying plywood across on. I'd be up like 60 stories on a building. And I'm carrying the big sheet of plywood, okay, guys? I'm short, okay? Ask Sniper. He's met me in real life. So I'm carrying the plywood here. Right? And I'm walking. Here's AlexOCrypto. Dun 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 dun. Rebar. Okay, this is the worst thing about industrial formwork, doing high rise. You got rebar here. So you're walking, and it's like this is like a 200 slab, right? So it's about a foot of a drop, right? It's a 200 slab, right? So this rebar is sticking up, right? And it's obviously sitting on saddles, right? So you got saddles in here holding up the rebar for the concrete. So you're trying to walk. So you're walking on the rebar. Da-doing, 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 da-doing. You slip. Your front boot slips off of here, and your shin goes right into the next piece of rebar. And you somehow gotta hold your piece of plywood at the same time. Oh. All right. Or you're going across on the building, and a giant gust of wind comes, and it hits the piece of plywood right here, and you literally have to 360. You're just like, you're right back and keep going. Okay, you let go of that piece of plywood, you kill people on the ground. You must understand that. Okay. There's your little lesson for the day, okay? Of course I've done that. Done that 1,000 times. I did industrial formwork for like 7.5 years. I can go to Toronto skyline images. Toronto skyline from island. Toronto skyline from the island. Here we go. I can go into here. I can pull up the whole Toronto skyline. I can show you what I've worked on just from this picture. So this is the CBC building being built. I worked on this building right here, CBC Twin Towers, newest buildings going in. I worked on BMO right here, 97 floors. I worked on waterfront, so I worked on both of these buildings. I worked on the sale building. Where's the sale building? I think that's right here. That's the sale building right here. These are, no, I didn't work on that. Princess Towers. We'd have to go into the West End here. Yeah, and I've done Mimico. I've done Skydome. There's like 5 in here. I've done one of them. Yeah. Get at me. Anyways, I got pictures of me hanging off the 70th floor doing the stairwell. So the stairwell's typically on the outside of the building before you close it. I got pictures of me like on the 70th floor hanging off, tied off obviously, hanging off the side of the building. There's like cars driving down here on Queen Street. Good times, man. Good times. There's no trade here, guys. This is shite. Let me see if I can find it for you. At least I don't know how sometimes I talk through this, like we're just not trading. Search construction. Let's see if I can find it here. Oh, there's the raccoons. Good times. Anyways. Maybe we get some volatility. 9 o'clock right now, everybody. Thank you for being here on the live. It's a very choppy day. 420 people here. Thank you guys for liking the stream. I haven't asked you guys to like the stream, and we're at 140 likes. That's not bad, guys. So thank you guys for liking the stream and subscribing and hanging out, and I do appreciate it. I can't force this today, though, guys. I'm not a magician, Harry. East pumper. East looks like it's ready to go, man. This looks bullish, and it's up 45% here. So the East is obviously catching a bid right now, so outperforming Bitcoin. So maybe you want to participate. That's up to you guys. I don't touch East. East is too choppy. Like there's too much sideways and getting nowhere kind of deal. If you are new here and you want to join the Discord, we still have our ho 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 the savings event. Black Friday has been extended into Christmas. I'm not doing a sale until like February. There's no way. I can't handle you guys anymore. You guys driving me crazy. I'm kidding. I love you guys. Use the code BOOBS. I didn't pick it. They picked it, okay? Don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me. I'm just a messenger. Best Discord in all of crypto. Five gifted memberships. John Foster, man. God bless you, man. Always dropping a 5, man. I appreciate you, bro. Lurker. Cameron Parker. Lurker. Remember, nobody from Discord will send you a friend request. It's someone usually calls you. I bet you weren't. Yeah, I don't have time to private message you guys. Believe me. I'm not really interested either. I'll message you in the Discord. If you have questions, there's a ticket system in the Discord. There's also a chat with Alex in the Discord. You can get a hold of me there. Vibhan, what's going on? Lurker. Trace Spot, Lurker. Billy, Lurker. Man, Lurker's in the house. Thanks, John, for the 5, man. God bless. Fire rated 3/4. Doesn't come 3/4. It comes 5/8, JR. It's 5/8. Fire rated. Just so you know. You can tell he's not a carpenter. I've done 12 footer 5/8. It's namby-pamby shit. Carry 2 sheets of form ply across rebar on an 80-story building. Now we're talking. Falling wedge. We don't trade wedges here. What's going on, FJ? How you doing, bro? FJ is one of our traders in our Discord, giving you guys signals. Don't forget to subscribe to FJ. Lots of good stuff, man. What's going on, Frost? Good to see you, man. How you been? Ledge. Jesse, 8 months, man. God bless you. Thank you for supporting the channel. You caught Trump yesterday saying people buy stocks now. He's going to hyperinflate the dollar. That's fine. Pump my bags. The average people and inflation. We're trying to be above average here, right? We're not trying to be the average person. Groceries just keep going up because they keep spending. So what does that mean? What is your solution? You can complain or you can make more money. That's my attitude. So I make more money. I'll complain a bit too. Don't get me wrong. I like complaining. They're going to keep doing their same bullshit. Right? So it's like, how do you participate? How do you feed your family? How do you provide? Well, you make more money. You be a disciplined trader. You compound an account. You create a safety nest for you and your family, right? I'll be your friend, Wick's wife. Merry Christmas, wives. The Wicks in the chat, man. The Wicks are in the chat. My favorite dinks in the world. Dual income, no kids. What's going on, B-Rad? Tony, good morning. Good to see you. Golden child. I don't think Market Cypher has their Black Friday sale still on. Stopping spending is, yeah, exactly. I need some more coffee. I'm going to get some more coffee. I'll play you guys a tune before market open. I can hear my son just got up, which I like to say good morning to him more than I like to say good morning to you, unfortunately. I'll be right back. Good morning, handsome man. Well, my son walked up and pegged me in the face with the ball. Has anybody else got balls in the face this morning? Because I did. Literally got balls in the face. I'm like, hey, good morning, buddy. And he goes, whoosh, and hits me right in the forehead with the little basketball. So AlexOCrypto just got balls in the face from his son in the morning. Nothing like balls in the face from little man. Gotta get... just smokes me, man. He just comes up to me and smokes me. Like, full on, just like... whoosh. I'm teaching him how to throw, though, so that's fine. The problem is being a new parent. I grew up playing lots of baseball, so I want my kid to know how to throw. But teaching your son how to throw at 15 months, everything becomes something to throw. So the chicken is flying across. He was throwing the hamburgers yesterday across the room. It's incredible, man. It's incredible. This guy's got an arm. So I say, put some oomph into it, right? So he doesn't know what put some oomph into it, right? So he goes up and he holds it and then he just goes, oomph. And he says the word oomph and he like goes full bore. He could throw like a good like 10, 15 feet already. He's on that trajectory, you know? But we'll see. Gotta throw him that 12-6 curve. A little bit of split finger. We'll get him going. Probably striking out dad by the time he's 8. Pardon me. I'm back. Yeah, we're gonna get a dog, probably off of John Foster Crypto there, in a couple of years. I don't want to get because we plan on trying for another kid in I think next year. We'll see. I don't know. We tried for, and like God bless my wife and God is good, but like 2 pump chump, man. Like I don't even know if I took my pants off and my wife got pregnant. So just very grateful. So we don't want to try until we're absolutely ready, because like we hit like bam, like AlexOCrypto swimmers, man. Like we were like, it's like the little swimmer here had like the Superman cape on, you know? You're just like going. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto stream. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Helping you guys navigate the charts, taking trades, showing you guys the trades. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, fuck. Someone walks in, there's just a sperm flying around on the charts. I just woke up and you're drawing sperms. So we're just trying to be patient, right? We don't want 2 before 2, right? Is that the saying? 2 before 2. We don't want to have one. What indicator is this? It's bullish, man. It's bullish. It's So we'll see. Chicken, do you expect anything less out of me, man? You grew up with me, you know. We're here for the charts. This is like The Office, yeah. I mean, we are here for we're here to take trades. There's no effing trades. We have FOMC, so we can expect a slow, pathetic crawl coming into We might get some volatility at market open here. But we'll be streaming at 2 today. We'll put up the live stream. We got Discord live stream today. We can go over some. See, in the Discord, it's different. I teach in the Discord. I take it seriously. We could still have a giggle, but I want the people in the Discord to absolutely effing crush the market. I want them to take the market maker, bend it over, and ask him, who's your daddy and what does he do? There was no music when I went to get coffee? Oh, shit. Sorry. We can wait then. Do your Donald Trump, everybody. Do the Donald Trump. You're fired. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, you're fired.
With an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious.
You're fired.
Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB.
You're fired.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
You're too cool. I agree, guy.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
We should trade TRB one day a week to give it the honor it deserves. I think we should. Look at the VWAP respect here. TRB, what a token, guys. East cooling off a little bit here. Not interested in East today. Solana. Downtrending momentum, trying to flip VWAP here. Rotation down. Failure to push liquidity grab here suggests lower. Aggressive move through VWAP, retest, continuation down. Would like to see an SFP in here. Continuation up. When we're looking at top-down analysis for today, we can run through it really quickly here. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out. God bless you guys. We got 440 people in here and 177 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind getting that to 200, that'd be really cool. I would appreciate that. So what are we looking for this morning generally? Okay, so I like to throw on pivots every now and then, and it can kind of make things simpler. Okay, so we got point of control. We have our high and our low, okay, from yesterday. So we're in the middle of the range. We're in total hot dog zone. So if this, then that. We have FOMC, which we can expect it to drag its feet a little bit going into the event today, which will be live streaming, so we're prepared for that. Why do the market makers love news events? Because they can use it to grab liquidity. Okay, so that is what we must be prepared for, is how is this thing going to behave today? Is Jerome going to be hawkish or bullish or dovish, whatever they say, hawkish or dovish? It doesn't really matter. What we need to understand is liquidity. How are we going to get there? Where are they going to send it? How is he going to posture today, right? So if he comes out, we're going to get our cut. And then he comes out and he says, no data. I'm not sure about if we're going to continue to cut, blah, 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 blah. Fine, cool. If it says we're going to stimulate to promote job growth, whatever, Fine. Bullish. Right? Our job is to be reactive, set the trap, understand where price can go, and participate in that as safely as possible. If we're looking at market cipher coming into today, we have a couple of things that are looking better. Okay, daily looking better. What's looking better on the daily? Money flow is coming up, and we actually have a little bit of a movement above the zero line. Okay, zero line, we have, our trigger wave, but you can see how we are starting to finally push up ever since basically mid-October. So this is bullish, okay, in a sense. Money flow is coming up, right? This can continue up. This is very good. Long term, right? Long term. Hopefully this doesn't roll over and clip, okay? So we must be aware of that. Going forward, the 12-hour 2, we got 3 drives up here, but we had bearish divergence. Now we have continuation. The concern is the SFP yesterday, okay? The SFP yesterday should bring us back down. If we are going to continue down, double top, should bring us back down to where it started, which is, unfortunately, it's down here, okay? So we have a range. We can look for a PO3, right? So we have liquidity. We have an accumulation. We would look for some sort of manipulation above here, and then we would look for it to distribute back down to the lows, okay? That's possible. Will it happen? We'll see. If this, then that, okay? However, we are just chopping the point of control. We're right in the middle, so this is where we would expect to hang out going into FOMC, then the decision, and then we'll see if it wants to do if this or that. Okay, liquidity, 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 and major liquidity up here at 98. Okay, so we are in the middle of the range. We look to treat it as such. Buy low, sell high, so we want to see it possibly come down so we can long, and we want to see it possibly sweep liquidity so we can get short. Okay, so we're prepared either way. Coming into our 8-hour, this is where it starts to look a little bit scary, where we start to roll over a little bit here. As you can see, we're starting to roll a little bit. So warning sign, 4-hour warning sign, okay, 3-hour warning sign, 2-hour warning sign, 1-hour bullish sign, trying to push back, okay? So we'll see. It's always a battle between the 1 and the 2-hour. If you can find out which one is going to be more prominent in the move, you can make money. That's your job to distinguish. Not mine. I'll teach you, though. Okay, so this is overextended, obviously, yesterday. Very euphoric. What is this doing, though, yesterday? What did this do? This grabbed liquidity out of all of here, right? So liquidity has been swept, which means our next target should be here unless we're going to push it into the liquidity up in here. Okay, because we're always trying to hunt liquidity. So typically, right now, our target is to come down minimum halfway down, which we have, and potentially break structure and push, or rotate back down and come and grab this stuff in here. Okay, middle of the range point of control, which means it's going to be pretty choppy in here. Okay, so we prepare as best as we can, and we'll see what the price does today. Either way, it's FOMC day. I even told my wife, I was like, wife, it's FOMC day today. And she's like, be careful. Be safe. That's first words out of her mouth, because FOMC will wreck you guys. So today is typically a day where you should take it off. You should go and touch some grass, touch some ass. Maybe go, go to a dog sanctuary. Go to a dog shelter. Pet some dogs. Whatever you're into. Go to the library. Go, I don't know, the arcade. Go play some video games. Whatever. Play on your wanking chariot. But today is a day where even experienced traders get absolutely wrecked. Brew, what's going on, Brew, man? God bless you. Mr. Brewberry's in the chat, guys. Let's see some ninjas in the chat for Mr. Brewberry. Karate. What's going on, bro? God bless you. Brew's been with me from day one, too. The master debater. I'm kidding, man. I love you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning, man. One of our traders in our Discord. Absolutely a great human. I think he's a great human before he's a great trader. He is a great trader, but he's a great human. He is family. White charts. White charts. Do you care what color the chart is if it makes money? I don't think so, man. Blinded by my wife. I woke up like a douche in the middle of the night. Anyways, great guy, great trader in the Discord. Live Monday to Friday, right after me. Breaking it down now. Break it down now. God bless you, Brew. I love you, man. Brew wants to see Market Cipher on the weekly. It's a green dot, man. It's a green dot. It's teasing everybody. So you got green dot clipping, VWAP crossover. So green dot potential. So if we close positively, we will confirm the green dot. VWAP crossover, which is good, and money flow remains green. Stochastic finally has positive posturing. It's taken a while. So there's potential. You're saying there's a chance, right? We look at examples, right? We can look at examples. You don't have many examples, but there are examples, right? And you get relief or continuation, right? That's a pretty good example. We would all love this to happen, wouldn't we? Everybody would shut up pretty quickly, wouldn't they? You can get a little bit here, right? VWAP crossover, which is here. Probably one here, yeah. Money flow, VWAP crossover here. That would be there. So some pretty good moves have come out of a green dot on Market Cipher. So we shall see. But it's a little bit of positive news, I guess we could say, coming into this candle close. Now, if we start to dump, guys, if we dump here, this will disappear. This will go bye-bye. Forget about you guys. And it will look more like, I guess, this over here. Where, this is where it really disappears. And we had this before, right? We had a VWAP crossover green dot right here. And all it led was to a lower high, right? We also had it here, which led to a higher high, right? I'm still in camp 1. It might not be a higher high, but I think it comes back up to here. However, if this happens, we will be prepared. We got 2 minutes till market open. Can't believe there's only one person I will go on a weekly chart for during my live stream, and it's you, Brew. Infinite Team TA. My man, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. Thank you for the 10. God bless you, man. Zarga, Lurker. Nico, Lurker. Random, Lurker. Chad, Lurker. I don't even know if they're full-on lurkers. I'm just going to call them Lurker, Lurker. Lurker, Lurker. Lurker, Lurker. I already told them about the PO3, Brew. This is how simple my PO3 is. Because I ain't the smartest, moneyest concepts. You got liquidity, you got accumulation, you're looking for a manipulation distribution, I think. Ching! That's as far as I'll go. Go to Brew's stream. He'll break it down for you. Break it down now. Good morning. Bet you printed really good yesterday. Sorry, you got effed. Yeah, I had a really good day yesterday. 14K. So now my job is to keep it. Hence why I'm not in a trade right now. This has been absolute dog shit anyways, so. What's going on, Mahaba? Andy, good to see you. God bless. Bogo. Okay, here we go. Market's open. SPY opening up. Gap down. Okay, gap down. Haven't had a gap down in a while, which is good. Let's see if we fill like yesterday and go. Fill and go. Bitcoin flat. Fill and go. Fill and go. All right. Bitcoin rolling over. Solana rolling over. Now, alts are slowly starting to outperform Bitcoin today, so let's keep our eyes on that. We have downtrending momentum here coming in on Solana. A little bit of patience. Bitcoin rolling over, coming for the lows. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless you guys. Hopefully, you're all having a wonderful day. Happy FOMC day. We'll see what we get today. We're here. Have no fear. Rolling over a little bit here. Bitcoin, 12-minute market cipher. Okay, overextended, so potential for a push here. Yeah, rolling over, no trade. Still waiting. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. You've got deleted, bro. I'll take your money, but oh man. Mm-hmm. Did someone cry? What did they say? Aw, that's cute. The real Ashley Gates. I love you. I'm not for everyone. Sorry. Not sorry. Nice push here for Solana. Nice little push market open here. SPY. Oh, didn't fill it. Lurker. Why would you super chat that? I forgot to like it. Sorry. I wish I was a snob. Be nice, guys. Be nice. Big wick energy. Yeah. Zero. Is it your birthday, Reggie? I'll sing for you, bro. Don't get me going. We love you, Ashley. An acquired taste. I mean, I don't know how I'd be condescending. Sarcasm is key. If you're not a sarky bastard, you probably don't like it here. Okay, sweep of the highs, rotation back down. Thank you. God bless you, Wick. 589. Let's go, baby. What do they say? Who pissed in your cornflakes? That's a good old 90s saying. Infinite Team, I hate beards. 589. Just awful. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You look like a monkey, and you act like one too. Ooh, 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 ooh. Happy birthday, Reggie. Rotation down. Okay. Looking to take this low right now. NASDAQ dumping. NASDAQ dumping. Bitcoin rolling over. Solana rolling over. Okay. This is a good spot for an orb. Point of control orb. So don't expect the orb to pay us as well as it did yesterday. Don't expect the orb to pay us as well as it did yesterday. Coming into volatility here, guys. So a little bit of patience, a little SFP. No real trade here, in my opinion. Just very chop. NASDAQ rolling over pretty hard coming into this morning open. The SPY left this above. Okay, so this could be taken later on today. SPY's rolling over. Bitcoin's still pretty flat. I can't condescend anymore. I'm too short to descend anymore. If I were to condescend anymore, I'd be in the ground. Memberships. DeFi. Thank you so much, DeFi. The Canadian dwarf. Oh, man. I'm descending, man. You are a O-faced little man. I'm not going to show you what the chat looks like in the Discord right now, Piper. Gear. Gear's on it already. Oh, man. Oh, God bless you, Susan. I love you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday to the dad, too. Man, you guys stop super chatting me. Market's open. We need to make money here. I was hoping. I considered the skullet for about 30 seconds on my drive to the barbers. Thank you, guys. Thank you, DeFi Diva. Misanthropic. Now she can go gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Afghas Johnson. Naughty. Lurker. Let's see some lurkers in the chat for the condescending a-hole AlexOCrypto. Baru, I am absolutely. When I hugged Army Piper when I met him in real life, I was like an ankle bracelet. Right? Good to see you, DJ Mac. That's the one, man. Welcome, Crypto Girl. Thank you for being here. I am very short, Baru. That's me. That's me, man. Good to see you, Muckin. Sniper's Nightmare. How great is Alex O's Discord? Well, I'm not a salesman. All I know is that I show you everything I know. We have 8 paid traders. We have signals guys. We have setup guys. We have live stream guys. We have pivots, smart money concepts, momentum, neo wave theory. I mean, it's I don't know if you could keep up. Like some people say, it's just like you can't keep up. There's just too much going on. It's great. It's traders helping traders, man. I'm pretty proud of what we've built over the years. It was free for 2.5 years. And then we just created a work engine that, caters to every kind of trader. Live streams, teaching, lessons catered to your trades. Contact with me all the time. It's a lot, but it's great. If you're new to trading, I suggest, doing some free stuff first. I never expect anybody to join and pay for it. It's actually the price it's at right now. It's so people don't join it. Because it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. So I'm very grateful to the mods and the people who are in it and all the members. Great people. Our code is be kind, don't be a douche canoe, which is kind of funny because I'm condescending. This is nasty right here, guys. Sol took the low here. Possible pushback from Sol here. NASDAQ bounce. Bitcoin. Orb in 3 minutes. We're going to have a very tight orb. Could have a long up to VWAP here, possibly. I feel like we're forcing it today pull div, retest, golden pocket, 786. A platinum pocket, don't like it that much. It's pretty weak. We wait. Lurk for a couple weeks. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I actually see that your comments are rubbish and turn offensive towards new people. Oh, okay. Is the Discord your main source of income? Asked the Discord about my trading month last month's dread mining. Well, my accountant hates me for it. We're traders helping traders. I'm handing out the offensive tickets here on YouTube today. Hey Toaster. This is... Somebody here with a second after timeout. Yeah, that's the one. This is who you're trading against, man. Right here. Big douche canoe. God bless you if you're offended. Hopefully you find peace. If you do want some support, there's a guy, Sniper's Nightmare. He'll take your DMs. Great guy. I'll tell you exactly where to go. Be kind. Don't be a douche canoe. That's the code. That's the code. And you got to be able to laugh, man. We're here to have fun. And right now the price action is not fun. So we wait. Yeah, they sent the 30 subs back. Can I be offended? Yes, Dusty. Brew's live piece. Yeah, man, go and learn from Brew. Brew will break it down for you. There it is, its character. Douche canoe. I need a douche canoe too. Thank you, Kathy. I mean, that's it, man. I'm a family man. I love God. I love you guys. I'm a profitable trader. I made more profits in 1 month than I do all year from a Discord because I'm a trader. At the end of the day, I want to do this stuff less and just trade. But I started this to help people and to learn faster. I started a YouTube to learn faster, to become a better trader. I didn't start a YouTube to become a fucking influencer or shill the exchange link and tell you I'm going to change your life. I'm not going to change your life. You can change your life. I'll show you the tools that I've used to change my life. And you can go from there. It's built on honesty and transparency and humor. We like to have fun. Trading's lonely. At the end of the day, it's your decision to manage your risk and stop being a degen. You have a choice. You can learn from someone who's a YouTuber, or you can learn from someone who's trading and put up with their shit sometimes. This is horrible price action, guys. I think I'm a good teacher. I've been teaching for over 2.5 years in multiple Discords. If your mood was a sound effect, right, what would it be right now? A fart. Nothing's funnier than a fart, Johnson. That's a rule in our household. Nothing's funnier than a fart. The best thing is when you fart in my house, my son, he's in the parrot mode where he mimics every noise he hears. So you let go of a good fart and it's just like a brrr, and then my son goes, hmm. It's so it's so funny. It's so good. Go. He goes. It's so funny. Nothing funnier than a fart, man. Oh man, he's like totally mimicking everything. This looks like it's gonna roll over right now. NASDAQ. Nice recovery for NASDAQ. Big liquidity sweep in here. Back into the range. So, okay, recovery for SPY as well. So back in the range. Big head and shoulders here, but recovery. Didn't break down. Interesting. Lower highs though. Losing orb here. Sweeping into our 618 golden pocket area. So a failed orb breakdown's typically bullish. That's what I would be looking for here. Not necessarily looking for the short here. Oh. Still waiting here. Frost, you're spamming a lot, bro. I love you, man, but holy smokes. You're going to make Tony's going to put you in a timeout. I'll put you in a timeout because I like you. Here, 10 seconds. Okay, rolling over here. No trade. Still waiting. Sol holding up pretty well. NASDAQ with a little bit of a tell here. The bounce and continuation. Failed or breakdown. Or is it an orb retest? We have to wait for the candle to close to kind of see. Frost went hard. I like that idea. I need to put it in my will, yeah. Can someone just let go of a big ripper so we can all have a giggle? Reclaiming the range. Nice push here. Can I reclaim orb? That is the question. Solana, sweep, go. Something like this. It's got to push. Got to push here. Bull div, sweep, push, 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 push. Anchor trigger wave here for Solana. NASDAQ's got a push too. Looking a little weak here. No follow through for NASDAQ. Could be weakness here. Yep. Retest. See how Bitcoin reacts here? It's a retest breakdown. NASDAQ with the tail, double bottom here though. See if NASDAQ pushes here. If not, rotation down. Bitcoin trying to push back here. This is good. NASDAQ, bounce. Nice bounce here. Possible long on Solana here then, if Solana wants to bounce. Trigger wave needs some more time. Just up to VWAP. Maybe even just to the highs here. No push here for Biddy. Still waiting. No follow through. No follow through. Chop. Chop at the bottom. Yeah, no follow through. So retest continuation down here so far. Potential pushback for Bitcoin though, if it wants to. Nice bull div sweep into here. Continuation up. Higher term time frame stuff. Not looking that great here though. Solana's holding on. How's ETH look? ETH rolling. This price action sucks, guys. This price action does suck. I'd like to see reclaim of orb for Bitcoin and a push on NASDAQ if we're going to get long here. There's an opportunity here for bull div. Another rejection on Bitcoin. No push on NAS. Double rejection Bitcoin, so failing to reclaim. It's got to push here. Otherwise, down, down, down. This is a good spot, though, for a potential trade if it wants to continue. I'm going to send you guys over to the Piper Academy today because he'll break down what's going on the FOMC. So go over to the Piper Academy and throw some otters in his chat. I'm considering a long here, guys. Fuck it, let's take it. Send it. We're long. We're long here. Push Solana. Solana looks better. Send it, Solana. Don't be a biatch. Nope, rejection. Looking for something like this. Oh, we'll see. FOMC. FOMC. We've crushed FOMC many, many times before. Okay? Many times before. Do you guys want to see the trade still? We're still in the trade. We're still in the trade. I'll go back to the trade. Do you guys want to see it? We're still in the trade. Looking for it to push, okay? I ain't fibbing to you guys, okay? I ain't a Fibonacci fibber. Looking for it to push. We'll see. Don't forget to manage risk. Take profits. Pay yourselves, okay? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. It's going to the moon. It's going to the moon. Take profit one. Take profit one. Everybody feel the FOMO. Feel the FOMO. Can you feel it? Up $180. Go say hi to Army Piper for me. God bless you guys. I will see you guys later on for FOMC. It's in the game. Oh my God, we're up $200 again. Oh my God, it's in the game.
Come up better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you can.